As we know, we're in an AI craze. These two little devices are about to blow your mind. And guess what they're competing with? Your iPhone. Let's break them down. Are they a gimmick or is this the way of the future? The whole idea around these sleek new products is to bring you less screen time and more productivity. So, how does it look and feel? It looks adorable, it feels lightweight and modern, and the UX is way ahead of its time. These two leading companies have developed the first AI models that is using LAM, a large action model. I know, it sounds wild. What are these two little devices? Let's start off with the Rabbit R1. It started at $199, which was really affordable. So it's interesting because the R1 does not require a subscription. Let's watch a glimpse of the founder Jesse Liu walk through the product because I think it's really interesting how he uses it and how that this one little device can actually save you a lot of time. I'm not saying that it's going to replace your iPhone, but I do see this being a way of the future.
It is built for real-time interactions between you and the rabbit, powered by LAM. Large action models concept and test results are so powerful that we decided to make a one-of-a-kind mobile device. I want to take my family to London. It's going to be 2 of us and a child of age 12. We're thinking of January 30th to February 5th. Can you plan the entire trip for me? We like cheap non-stop flights, grouped seats, a cool SUV, and a nice hotel that has Wi-Fi.
Exploring ticketing options. For your trip, I found various flight options, a range of hotels to choose from, and car rentals.
The second device is called Humane. It's an AI pin. And guess what? The two founders had worked for the iconic Apple. This is getting a lot of media attention. Imran worked at Apple for over 21 years. So the AI pin starts at $699. It's giving luxury, but you also have a $24 per month subscription. Guess what? I actually purchased these two AI pins because I want to see what they're like. So this is just my explainer of how the AI is becoming in our everyday life and how we can actually use it to maybe get off our screens and get a little bit more time interacting with humans. I love the messaging behind this. I'm super curious to see the different use cases roll out. For me, let's say I wanted to go on a hike, I would think it would be nice to not have to take my mobile device, but still be able to document the journey. The other thing that I think is really interesting is Humane actually doesn't have a screen face, where the Rabbit does.
There's 2 pieces, a computer and a battery booster. And the battery booster powers a smaller battery inside the main computer. And this is how we achieve our all-day battery life. Got my music controls. If I go to the left, I can go back.
So I'm curious to see once I get these products, how that's gonna have the pros and cons. Whereas the Humane, you actually have to look at it on your hand. I don't know, it's super unique. If you think that this is interesting, comment below. Would you actually use one of these devices? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it, it helps grow this channel.